This one has what interest rate on it right now?
4.49, 5.49.
Okay. And this is the Avery floor plan, right? All right, Elizabeth and Gregory, this is the Avery floor plan. This is the Waterford Commons community. Now, this is under construction, so it's gonna look really, really messy. But I still wanted to show you this particular floor plan because if you build, which is 6 months out, you can build this floor plan with a door that takes you from the owner's suite into the, I'm gonna come back this way, into the covered back porch. There is your study or office. It opens to your kitchen that overlooks your family room. Again, we can have this built with a door from your owner's suite onto this covered back area. Now, this is Rock Hill, South Carolina. This is 35 minutes to the Carolina Panther Stadium. There is a gym around the corner from here, so maybe 10 or 15 minutes gym. There is a shopping center, a Target, a Walmart, all within like maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes from here. Rock Hill is a small town, just like Fort Mill is. This is the owner's suite. This is a inventory home, which means that this one is going to be ready to sell to whomever. But it can be built. This floor plan Avery can be built, which would give you a door here to go onto your covered back patio. Here is the owner's bathroom with a stand-up shower. Pardon the mess, guys. Honestly, this is going to be your walk-in closet. This is a true ranch style home. So this is a one-story home. And Brittany is my on-site sales agent. Her and I work together. So let's head upstairs to take a peek at the second level of this home. Did I say this is a one-step? I meant to say this is a frog, which is a room above. This is a large loft area. Of course, there's a bedroom up here. This does have a bathroom. Sorry, there's no lights in here just yet. Again, they're still doing construction on this particular home. And this is just a storage room, like attic space. And this is the Avery floor plan. This is a frog, so there's a room above. And then entrance to your garage there. And then your laundry room is going to be on your main level. Laundry room is here. All right, let's head back out.